and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, this is going to be a response to a question that came in through the comments section on my channel. So the question was about the recent wedding tutorial that was posted, and it was about how did I generate the AI image that was used in that video. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to answer that question by showing you step by step how I found the image, how I created it, and how to post it. So if you want to see how that was done, please stay tuned. Okay, so one of the things that I like to do is go through Etsy and just kind of see what banners there are that I like, just to get inspiration. So as you'll see, I'll type in at the top wedding banners, and then you can just kind of scroll through, and then you will see different banners and just get an idea of what you want to create. So for the banner in the tutorial that I did, I kind of liked how this image here was set up over here to the far right. You see how it has the big screenshot of the couple, and then it has the welcome, and then it has their names, and then the date of the wedding. So I use that as a guide to kind of figure out how I can make one of my own using a different couple. So the first thing you want to do is get this image right here. So I took a snapshot of it. Now that I have a snapshot of that image, I'm going to go into ChatGPT. Now this version is the free version, not the paid version. And like I said, the paid version will be a little bit better because you can render more, render faster, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to show you how it can be done with the free version. So what you'll do is you'll take that image and you'll put it into ChatGPT, and then you will ask ChatGPT to describe it. So you will type in describe this image, and then it's going to do what it does, and it'll tell you what this is. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to ask it to create a prompt. So the prompt that I have here is just, can you create a prompt to generate an AI photo similar to this but with an African American couple? So once you do that, ChatGPT is going to generate a prompt that you can take and put into your AI platform. Now there are lots of AI platforms you can use. You can use Midjourney, you can use Leonardo AI, you can use Microsoft Designer, and you can even use, ChatGPT. But the AI platform that I'm going to use for this one is ImageFX. So I'm going to copy this prompt, and then I'm going to put it into ImageFX. Now that I have logged into ImageFX, which is just a free AI image generator, you can sign up for an account, and this is what it looks like once you log onto the platform. The next thing that you'll want to do is I want to change the aspect ratio. Right here it defaulted to landscape. I'm going to put that in portrait, and then right here, this is where I'm going to paste in that description that I copied from ChatGPT, and I'm going to hit create, and we're going to see what it generates. Okay, so here we go. So it generated 4 images for me, and the one that I like is the one that's right here. So you will just click on the image, and then you will download it. And then you're going to upload it into Canva. Okay, so once you're inside Canva, you are just going to create a new document. I've already went through the tutorial showing you how I created the banner. So what I'm going to do here is just show you how to upload it and remove the background so that you just have the image of the couple. So I'm going to hit create, And this is just going to be, like I said, just a standard, as if I'm going to make a banner. Go to uploads and upload a file, and you'll see here that this is the image that was generated out of Image FX. So I'm going to click on that. So here is the image of my couple. So I'm going to just resize it a little bit for the sake of the video, but really what you want to do is go up to background remover, and that is a Canva Pro feature. So if you don't have that, then you'll need to go to another resource such as Photopea or something similar where you can make a transparent background. But for this, I'm just going to use the background remover inside of Canva, and then it took away everything that was in the background. So now I just have the image of the couple, and then from here you will just resize it and then start creating your banner. Alright, so that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful, but if you feel like you need a little bit more insight, some help with prompts, I did generate an ebook that may be able to give you more insight on how to create the AI images of the couple. So this is the ebook, and I'll give you a sneak peek inside the table of contents just to give you an idea of what you will find in the book. And all of the images for the couples were generated through AI. So this lovely couple that you see here, that is from an AI generation. So once again, thank you for listening, and I hope to see you in the next video.